Pictures. Pictures consist of photographs, clip art, and much more. Some of the options available in pictures and how to use them to give different effects to our documents are given below. Inserting a picture from a file. You can also insert a picture or a scanned photograph from your computer or from other locations.
To do so, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture and follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Pictures command in the Illustrations group. Step 3. Browse to the location of the picture you wish to insert. Step 4. Select the desired picture file.
Step 5. Click on Insert button. The picture gets inserted in your document. Inserting online pictures.
In Word 2016, you can insert online pictures in the document. To insert online pictures, place the cursor where you want to insert the picture and follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Online Pictures option. Step 3. The Insert Pictures dialog box appears. Type a word in Bing image search box. Step 4. The Online Pictures dialog box appears. Select the picture you want to insert. Step 5. Click on the Insert button.